Starting from 149,800 yuan, the new Dongfeng Honda MNV with upgraded power and 500 km range has been launched. Dongfeng Honda has positioned the new MNV model as a fully electric SUV and has been upgraded in terms of power. At the same time, the triple, lithium battery pack was replaced with a lithium iron phosphate battery pack. Two configurations are available, with official guide prices of 149,800 yuan and 159,800 yuan respectively. In terms of appearance, the front of the new car adopts the family-style closed grille design, which has a more architectural style. The shape of the headlight cluster is relatively flat, blackened and connected by penetrating chrome strips that effectively stretch it. Increased the horizontal visual width of the frontend. The lower casing part adopts a three-stage design, with relatively large air guides on both sides and LED fog lights integrated inside, making the style more individual. The lower part is equipped with a relatively large trapezoidal air inlet, and indoor uses. Honeycomb structure is used in decoration, which has a strong visual effect. In terms of side shape, the body lines are basically the same as the previous generation XRV. The roof is equipped with shark fins and luggage racks and has a very sporty slide-back shape. A completely type design ornament strengthens the layering on the side of the car body. The wheels adopt 5-spoke pedal shape, which makes the style look more fashionable. In terms of rear design, the roof is equipped with a small spoiler, and the taillight cluster adopts a transitional type design, which looks relatively rough, while the photo area adopts a concave shape, which adorns the rear layer of the car. The lower perimeter is equipped with a thick black trim panel and is decorated with chrome strips. The new car, whose length, width and height are 4324/1785/1637 mm respectively and its wheelbase is 2610 mm, is positioned as a small SUV. In terms of interior, the overall layout is quite simple. It provides a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, full LCD instrument cluster, floating central control display and push-button electronic gear shifting mechanism. In terms of configuration, all new cars come standard with tire pressure alarm, automatic parking, uphill assist, reversing radar, reverse display, cruise control, keyless entry, one-button start, automatic LED headlights, 12.3-inch central control display, 12-inch. It comes with a 0.3-inch central control screen. In terms of power, the new car is equipped with an electric motor with a maximum power of 160 kilowatts, significantly higher than the old model's 120 kilowatts. Ned's cruising range is 500 kilometers.